Hey guys, what's up, Elders? Top trading reviews. Welcome back to this series. Right, this is episode 4, I think. Let's begin. So, binary options broker. There we go. Okay, we currently have $3,104, which is okay. Currently on Euro USD at the moment, 90% success rate. Well, in the money ratio. Let's have a look. So Euro USD, let's go in the hourly section a little bit. Right, it's reaching resistance zone over here, as you can clearly see. It's reaching. If it pushes a little bit more, it's probably gonna bounce back towards the downwards direction. So that's what we should be aiming for. On the hourly, it has been going down since 18th of September, so a couple of days, half a month actually. So yeah, it's probably gonna be a nice sell signal, as we can see over here. It's pushing towards the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, that would have been a nice probably sell trade. If it pushes a little bit more, we can place this trade towards the sellwards direction, maybe towards even this pink line. There we go. This is the pullback that we need. Why can't we trade? Can we just place it? Oh, that's even better. There we go. We placed the trade. Actually, let's place. Oh, okay. Let's leave it. Let's leave it for now. $100. That's okay. Let's see, Euro USD. Yeah, it's pulling back towards this level, which is the good level. That's what we wanna see. So it's all good. Let's see if it's gonna be profitable. It should be bouncing back towards the downwards direction now, since on the hourly it's reaching the big resistance zone. And well, what's happening on the 15-minute? That's the same thing. Obviously, you see it hasn't broken this resistance line even on the 15-minute time frame, and on the 1-minute time frame the same thing, pretty much, just a lot more zoomed in. So it should be bouncing back towards the downwards direction. It is at the moment. It's a little bit fluctuating, so not the best thing, but you should be seeing some downwards direction, and it is. Right, it's amazing at the moment. Obviously, Bollinger Band broke. That's why we placed this sellwards trade. Expiration time. Sorry, I used to say date every time. I don't know why. Expiration time 4 seconds, 3 seconds. So is this going to be profitable or not? If it's not going to be profitable, unfortunately not. We're going to place a nice sellwards direction trade just to double up and recover a previous loss. So let's do 250. We should see some resistance zone. Because it's on a resistance zone, we should see some selling pressure on Euro USD. So it's very unfortunate that we didn't get the first trade, you know, but that's why you double up, because these are small, you know, time frames, and they take time. They need some time to develop, you know, and become profitable. That's why you double up on binary options. You cannot trade like this on Forex, because that would be just gambling and it's crazy, you know. So Forex, you have your take profit levels, stop loss levels, a little bit of leverage, you know, and you work out different ways. You know, you can leave the trade running for a little bit, and then it develops, you know, towards the downwards direction or upwards direction, whatever you're going for. But on here, because you have this expiration date, you have to double up sometimes, because you see this trade was profitable and my prediction was profitable. It should be bouncing back towards the downwards direction, because it's obviously on a resistance line or a ceiling that there's a lot of robots, and they, you know, have a lot of sell orders in place, and they're gonna just push the market down. That's what happens. And the same concept goes with the support zone. You know, if it supports over here, it hasn't broken these lines. A lot of wicks indicate that there's a lot of buying pressure, and look what's happening. It started, you know, to go buying. It tried to break this floor towards the downwards direction, but couldn't. So buying orders came in and started to push the market down. And yeah, that's what's happening. So Euro USD, yeah, we can place another trade. Look at this pullback, amazing pullback. If it just pulls back a little bit more towards the upwards direction, that would be really cool. Actually, the trade is okay. Boom, let's do 250. Why not? Yeah, Euro USD should be bouncing back. This is an ideal time to trade. I'm trading on trading hours, by the way, so the markets are volatile, the markets are moving and very active, so it's a good time to place trades. So the market stalled for a few candles over here, but that's fine. Obviously, these candles are not the best, you know, on the broker. I like to have a look at 1-minute candles, not these 15 or 5-second candles, because they're very inaccurate. That's why you never use brokers candles. at all. You can use, you know, Bollinger Bands to just have a look and grasp a small concept on where the market is heading, but you don't generally use brokers, charting softwares and whatever, because they're designed to, you know, make you fail basically. And we're not doing very well, to be fair. As you can see, yeah, it should be bouncing back towards the downwards direction yet again. So we're just gonna do 500 and let's just click. Ooh, let's just enter this trade quick. There we go, we entered it. Maybe let's do 100 more, why not? It should be bouncing back towards the downwards direction. As you can see, it's trying to break this resistance zone over here, but it probably won't. It didn't break the past 2 times, so it's probably going to see some downwards movement. Obviously, there's a lot of volatility. As you can see, these candles are kind of big. As you can see, 1 candle, 2 candle. It indicates there's a lot of buying pressure from this zone over here, which could break, but we don't know. So I believe, you know, we should just carry on placing sell orders and see how we do. We placed at the moment 600 trade, I think. So if it doesn't come in, we're gonna place an even bigger one. But Euro USD, yeah, it's breaking at the moment. Not sure what's going on. Expiration time 5 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. It's not doing very well. Let's place another 1,200 trade. Why not? Oh god, that's not good. Oh yeah, we cannot place. Oh my god, that's bad. Okay, that screwed me over the limit. Yeah, let's do 500. I should have placed it here. That kind of screwed me over a little bit, but no matter what, it should be bouncing back towards the downwards direction. Let's just have a look on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, it's on another candle. It should be bouncing back towards the downwards direction. Honestly, it should be seeing some downwards movement. So let's see. Yeah, the moment is crossing the Bollinger Bands, is going down at the moment. Let's see, expiration time 6-4. Not the best trading session, to be fair, but this is Euro USD, gets manipulated a lot. Trade result, let's see, profit 2850. Okay, we are fine. As you can see, it tried to, you know, go back, but it's going down at the moment. As you can see, it's pulling back towards the downwards direction. It's probably going to carry on pulling back now. I believe that was the strong push it had the strong push. If it breaks, obviously, on the 1 hourly, if it breaks this, then it's going to obviously have a pullback towards the downwards direction and going to carry on going up. But at the moment, it hasn't broken. So it should be carry on going down. Should carry on going down. So let's have a look what's going on. Fluctuating a little bit. Maybe let's play some trades on a different pair. Why, you know, get stuck with one pair? Euro GBP. Let's have a look at Euro GBP. What's going on over here? So on the hourly time frame, as you can see, it has been going up. Obviously, just ignoring this, it has been going up. The overall trend is up, but at the moment, if it pulls back towards this level, then we could place this trade. But at the moment, not much of an opportunity there. So maybe let's have a look at something else. USD JPY. Let's click apply. Right, USD JPY. Let's see. This is the hourly candles, as you can see over here. Let's just delete this old information. Right, it could be bouncing back towards the upwards direction, but there's a lot of selling pressure. As you can see, all hourly candles have been going down. So this indicates for me that there's a lot of selling pressure, which means it could be bouncing back towards this level over here and then going down. So we need to have a look at something else. Something like this. As you can see, it bounced back towards this previous resistance line, which was broken by this red candle, and now going down. So it should be breaking at the moment, USD JPY. So maybe let's do something. Maybe let's do 200 USD JPY. I'm not sure why it's line chart yet again. Pretty sure it wasn't. Candles. Let's do candles. There we go. Oh, it's going down. It should be breaking at the moment. So let's place this trade. There we go, 200 trade. It should be going down and breaking this support line. The reason for that is there's just a lot of pressure towards the downwards direction, and it should be going down. Once it breaks, it should pull back towards this level and then go down yet again. So that's my at least prediction at the moment. Let's see how it does. So it is going down at the moment. USD JPY. I like JPY pairs in general because they really trend a lot, you know, trend towards the upwards direction or downwards direction. And as you can see, that's what's going on over here. dropping like crazy. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Let's have a look on the 5 minutes. It's pretty much doing the same thing. You should see some pulling back towards the upwards direction. If it pulls back around this level over here, we can place another sell trade. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let's wait for it. It's probably gonna be a closure towards our profit expiration date. Yeah, it's nice closure, and then we need to wait towards a pullback towards this level maybe, and then we can place another sell signal. So yeah, that looks pretty good. We can place another sell signal because it should be pulling back towards this level, then go down yet again because it's on a little downtrend at the moment, or on the 1 hourly time frame. As you can see, the past couple of hours, you know, like 3 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours now, it has been going down. So it's probably gonna see, as you can see, it's bouncing back towards this level over here and should be seeing some selling pressure at the moment, because on the 5-minute time frame, or I think it's better to see on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, it's gonna try to break this. Obviously there's 4 minutes low, 4 minutes left before it breaks, then it should be pulling back towards this level and going down. So that's what we're aiming for. Not doing justice at the moment, but let's see. 2 1. Okay, so we can place another signal, 450. Let's do that. There we go. Place the signal. Okay, let's see how it does. There we go. USD JPY should be bouncing back now because as the previous resistance zone was broken by this big candle, and now it should be bouncing back. As you can see, bouncing back towards this low and going down yet again. That's what we should be seeing at least. So let's do that. Let's see. USD JPY, 5 minutes. Yeah, it's broken this. Should be, as you can see, it had a little pullback towards this previous support zone. As you can see, if you can just see it, there we go. It had a little pullback, and now it should be going down yet again. So that's why it's going down. There we go. That's why we double up and trade like it. We can do. Let's do 250. We can do 250, but once it pulls back a little bit more towards the upwards direction, yet again we need to wait for it. We can't just simply trade now because it's not pulling back. We need to wait for it. A little pullback towards the upwards direction would really help us make this trade worthwhile. So let's see. Okay, it's dropping now. It might be dropping a lot. It might be even breaking the previous low. Yeah, it's trying to break the previous low at the moment on the 5-minute chart. As you can see, it's trying to break it. So what's going to happen if it breaks on the 5 minutes? We need to wait for the candlestick closure. Actually, this is 1 minute 40. If it closes, then we need to wait for a pullback, and it should be going towards the downwards direction. So that's what it's doing. It's broken over here with this candle, and now it's shooting up like crazy. What's going on? There's some kind of news obviously happening. So I'm gonna wait for something like this yet again. If it shoots back up, let's wait. It can't just keep dropping. We need to wait a nice pullback towards the downwards direction yet again. We need to wait. Not sure what this is. I read the news and I'm pretty sure there wasn't any. So I'm not sure what this was. Crazy. Or somebody just dumped a lot of money and moved the market towards the upwards direction. Could be. USD JPY. Okay, so it's slowly going up a little bit. So we are not gonna place. We can place a trade over here. 250. There we go. Let's see what's going on. So it's pulling back towards this level. It should really see some downwards direction, unless this news or something really influenced the market to go up, but I don't think so. There wasn't any news I read. So honestly, I don't think it should be going up like crazy because there's no news. There probably somebody or the banks, decided to just drop a lot of money, and that's why it just started to go up randomly. But yeah, as you can see, it's just dropping now. There we go. Profit. Okay, so nice. I think we're gonna end this session today. This takes a lot out of me because it's 1 minute trade and I'm kind of not used to it. I haven't been trading binary options for forever, you know, 4 years now, since 2015, you know, 16 era. I used to trade binary options like IQ option once when it was good actually. Now that I'm, you know, trading again binary options, I remember how stressful it can be, you know, 1 minute trading, 2 minute trading. You can lose your bank balance within seconds, you know, and it's crazy. Forex is a little bit more laid back, at least in my trading strategy, because I don't scalp, you know, I don't, you know, enter the trade within 1 minute. I, you know, leave the trade for some reason. I don't like it like that. What I do is just trade, you know, on the daily, 4 hourly, you know, wait, and it usually takes a day or two for my trades to develop, you know, settle and make profit. That's how I trade on Forex. Binary options is a little bit different, so it does take a lot out of me. But I hope you're enjoying these videos, guys. Make sure to follow all my social media links down in the description below, and take care, guys. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Goodbye.